Whether you're facing a surprise TDY, a canceled flight, or an overnight stay at a PAX terminal, there's one thing that keeps you ready for anything: a well-packed 72-hour bag. In this video, we're breaking down what to pack, budget or premium, to help you stay squared away when duty calls. Let's start with the basics: uniforms and clothing. Pack 3 uniform shirts, 3 uniform socks, 4 pairs of underwear, and shower shoes. Traveling in uniform? Great. If not, bring at least 2 sets of OCPs and PT gear. Add 2 civilian outfits for off-duty moments. Cold weather or rain in the forecast? Toss in gloves and a jacket. Check with your unit. They might issue some items. You don't want to get stuck without your essentials. Pack shaving cream, toothpaste, soap, deodorant, and a toothbrush. TSA-approved kits make it easy. Don't forget feminine products if applicable. Make sure to pack nail trimmers, wipes, and a towel. Microfiber ones are a great space saver, and you'll thank yourself later. Everything we're talking about in this video, gear lists, links, and more, is also up on TotalForceHub.com, just in case you want to go back and reference it later. Pack your meds for a few extra days: painkillers, allergy relief, prescriptions. On the admin side, military ID, GTC, passport, dog tags, and your official orders. Keep them all in one easy-access folder or pouch. You never know when you'll need to flash those credentials. Don't let dead batteries or dark layovers catch you off guard. Bring a flashlight, phone charger, universal adapter, and if possible, a power bank. Tablets and e-readers are great for staying productive or entertained. Alright, now before we move on to the next section of the bag, let's talk about something just as essential as your gear: your digital security. When you're traveling, especially on TDYs or overseas assignments, you're often relying on public or unsecured networks, from airports to PAX terminals. That's where NordVPN comes in. I use it myself to keep my connection secure and private no matter where I'm at. Whether you're checking email, accessing government sites, or just trying to stream something during layovers, NordVPN's got your six. Hit the link in the description to save big and stay mission ready, even online. Alright, let's get back to packing. Snacks are mission critical. Stock up on travel-friendly options, either from Amazon or your local grocery store. Also pack a deck of cards, board games, audiobooks, or ebooks for downtime. A few laundry pods? Total game changer during unexpected delays. Grab a rugged backpack or tactical bag. Osprey, Oakley, or 5.11 are great choices. Use packing cubes and vacuum bags to save space. Before you zip up, do a quick check: documents, chargers, socks, meds. And most importantly, check the weather and your orders. Mission readiness starts with packing smart. Drop a comment below. What's in your 72-hour bag? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow airmen. Stay ready so you never have to get ready.